Hi everyone, my name is Chef Eric Teo and welcome to FairPrice Chinese New Year Cooking Special. Today I'll be preparing for you a glazed scallop meatballs. I'll be using the Fukuyama scallops. So these scallops are being thawed overnight, rinsed and pat dry as well. So we're going to put the egg white. Okay, we'll put some chicken powder. This is just to enhance the flavor. And then a bit of sugar and corn flour. So this corn flour is actually to give a smooth texture on the scallops. We just mix it well. And then we're going to set this aside for about 10 minutes. Next step, we're going to prepare the condiments for the glazed scallop meatballs. So I have the mini bell peppers here and the red onion. And just slice. I prefer red onion because it's spicy. It has a very nice texture and color as well. For the mini bell, we have the yellow, orange and red color. Beautiful, right? So we just cut it just like a triangle. Okay, so this is done. We're going to set this aside. Next, we're going to prepare the minced pork. So we're going to transfer the minced meat into the mixing bowl here and cut a little bit of coriander leaves. And we have 2 water chestnut. This is to give the minced meat some texture, right? Just cut into small dice. Alright, so these are done and we're going to season the minced pork. So we have a little bit of soy sauce here. We just put 1 teaspoon. And then we put a little bit of sugar, half teaspoon, and some corn flour. So corn flour we put about 1 teaspoon. Okay, just mix it well. So next step, we're going to place the Fukuyama scallops into the minced meat. So we're going to split into 8 portions, right? So this is the meatball and we're going to flatten it. We're going to dust a little bit of corn flour, just a little bit, right? So this purpose is actually to make sure that the scallop sticks with the minced meat. Right? So we're going to cover, and to finish off, we just dust a little bit of corn flour on the outside. And we're going to repeat this for the rest of the meatball and the scallops. Alright, so the meatballs are ready and we're going to fry them in hot oil. So this heat is actually medium-high heat. Now we don't want too high because there's a scallop inside and it's raw. We have to make sure that it cooks right through. Alright, so the meatballs are ready. We're going to fry the mini bell peppers and onion. We're going to put 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. We're going to fry this over high heat. So here we go. And just fry till it's golden brown and fragrant so we can remove it out from the pan. Alright, so this is done. Right, that's for the top garnish. So I'm going to prepare the glazing sauce. For the glazing sauce, it's very simple. We have all the ingredients here. We have the minced garlic, we have the rice wine, the mirin, the kikoman. Here you go, brown sugar. Next, we're going to grate the ginger. And bring it to boil, reduce by half. Return the meatballs into the sauce and then continue to reduce until the sauce slightly thickens. And that's it. This is done and we are ready to dish out. Right, so we're going to place the garnish on top of the meatballs. These are nicely glazed sauce. Finally, we're going to add a little bit of the spring onion and coriander leaves. Alright, so you have it, the glazed scallop meatballs. So this is for you and your family. Hope you like this cooking video recipe. So on behalf of FairPrice and myself, I'd like to wish you Happy Chinese New Year and 恭喜发财.